Hi mga ka-budgetarian! Welcome back to my channel. We have very exciting vlog episode today because today we're going to review one of my Gucci bags. Hi mga ka-budgetarian, Ron Ramiro here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I vlog about fashion, shopping, luxury bags and accessories, travel and lifestyle. I'm inviting you guys to please join our growing family by hitting that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you may get daily styling tips and updates coming from me. Alright mga ka-budgetarian, so again, another exciting episode today because we are going to review one of my Gucci bags today. Alright, so let us start with our unboxing. So actually, it's already unboxed at my back, but just to start, so it came with this classic Gucci paper bag. So I love this kind of paper bag because there's actually a texture on the paper bag. I believe the logo of Gucci is embossed and you could feel it as you run your fingers through them. So this came with that box. And paper bag rather, and of course here is the box, so it's quite huge. So it's not the box that they currently have right now, so this box is a little bit soft, so they just you could actually easily dismantle this one, made from a thin cardboard, I think. But what's good about this box as well, so just like their paper bag, the logo of Gucci is embossed in the entirety of the box. Then, of course, before the bag, there, dust bag there. So the dust bag is very, very big because it's very, very obvious that the bag that we are going to review today is something really, really big. There, so here is the bag. 1, 2, 3, yay! Here it is. So it is a Gucci. For the name, unfortunately, I'm not really sure what is the actual name of this bag, but it is a Gucci tote bag. Yay, here it is. So let's check before we describe the materials and take a closer look on the entirety of the bag. Let's see if we could see the care cards inside, because like what I mentioned with the previous vlogs that I did, so hopefully the previous bag reviews, you've seen them, but if not, I'm going to link it somewhere up here and put it in the description box. So I always put the everything here, the care cards, the receipts, the card swatches, so that just in case in the future I would have an idea, like, you know, again, like when did I purchase this one, and so on and so forth. So here it is. Everything, the Gucci care card. So let's look at it individually. I'm not sure if I have the receipt here. So first one, of course, is the, I believe this is the, oh, okay, the care card. So I'm not sure why I got two there. So here are the care cards there. So that's the Gucci care card. Then of course, oh, okay, so they have the here, another, I'm not sure if this is the serial number or whatever. So there. Then I love that it came also with the, I'm not sure if this is, let's check, what is this? Oh, I can't open. This is the original price that we got the Gucci bag from. Here it is. Can you see? There. So the price that we got this bag is 52,500. So we got this one at 158 Designers Boulevard. Alright, so now we've put that out of the way, all the care cards and stuff. Now let us take a closer look of this classic Gucci tote bag. So here's the entirety of the bag, guys. So it's actually really, really huge. If I'm going to stand a little further, hopefully I could attach mod shots here later, so that you can see how huge it is. So you can see it actually could fit my entire torso inside the box. So this is really a huge, huge tote bag. So it's made of coated canvas with leather trim. So here is the front. So the logo of Gucci there. So this is in leather trims, leather handle, and then the back, of course. So the back, same thing. So the leather trims, you know, supports the entirety of the body, because I believe this bag should be able to support the stuff that you would be putting in, and I believe they're expecting that you're going to put a lot of stuff inside this bag. So this is the bottom part of the bag. So again, they've used the coated canvas of Gucci. There are no studs or no feet, so you just need to be very careful whenever you're putting down your bag, so that, you know, you won't be able to damage or ruin your bag. So for the date, normally I have the receipt. Unfortunately, I don't have the official receipt of as to when we purchased this Gucci bag, but I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we've had this Gucci bag at least 5 years with us, if I'm not mistaken. So if you're going to see, they're already normal wear and tear. So let me just show you what's inside. So it's a huge, there's a huge space. I'm not sure if you could see, because the lining of this one is in black fabric. So here, inside there is one zip compartment with the logo, and I believe with the logo there would be the serial number. So here it is. And then there are 2 pockets on the other side, and then there is one huge, you know, space inside. I believe you can use bag organizers, because again, the space is really huge inside there. So the good thing about this bag compared to the normal totes that we are seeing right now, like for example with the on-the-go tote of Louis Vuitton, or the Dior book tote, they don't have any closures. But the good thing about this bag is it actually has a zipper, a flap for a zipper, so you could close it, and you would feel more secured whenever you're carrying your stuff using this bag. So this is the top part, and you would see it closed. The only downside of this bag, when we purchased this one, it didn't came with any shoulder strap. So you just need to like be creative, use the other shoulder straps that you have, that you may have with the other bags that you have. Later I'm going to show you a sample on how we could attach a shoulder bag for this one. Right, so the next thing that I'm going to share to you guys is how we could attach a shoulder strap with this large Gucci tote bag. Actually, we have already used this one quite a lot when we travel abroad, so we would be carrying this one. But my advice is, if you're going to use large tote like this for traveling abroad, you should have a very, you know, secured and very comfortable shoulder strap, because again, this bag can get really quite heavy if you're going to put a lot of stuff in them. So the shoulder strap that I would be using for today is something very edgy and something very fashion forward. So you can use any straps that you may have currently on your collection, or you can purchase anything from any online stores. Here in the Philippines, we have at Shopee. So I have 2 straps. So one is this one. This just arrived recently, like a couple of days back. So this is the iconic and the trendy large or chunky chain. So it's not really made of steel chain, it's made of acrylic, but I love the finish. It has that metallic finish. So this one can be used as later as a design element, and this is the very first of this kind that I've purchased before. Again, purchased at Shopee. So this one is a little bit longer, but same material as this one. So if I'm going to make a comparison, so you would see the top part here, that is the shorter strap, so it's like halfway, then the other one goes all the way here. So now let us design this bag, because again, like what I mentioned, we purchased this one, if I'm not mistaken, around 5 years back, It's a little bit dated, to be honest, with the newer designs of Gucci. So it's like a classic design bag. So we would want to bring it to 2021. So how can we do it? Of course, by attaching you know, straps like this one. So this one, very, very simple. So attach it there, here. There. Because what's fun with this attachment is it comes with a lobster clasp, and the bag has this one, the metal thingy where you can attach. So there. So you would see now it has like a necklace, a beautiful necklace there. So that's one. And the next, for, you know, a shoulder strap, so I'm going to use the longer one. So you could attach one again here. So maybe we could use the bigger one this time. There. So I've used, and then this one, because this kind of strap has actually two closures or attached closures. This one, the first one, is the lobster clasp. So if that is a little bit small for the D-rings of your bag, you could use the second one, which is this one, the round thingy. So I'm going to use the round thingy here, just attaching it here, there. So for this one, what I did, so at the front part, I have attached it on the metal ring here, and then put it on the opposite side, so that you would be, so whenever you're going to carry it, it wouldn't, you know, be lopsided or would be like this, so it would still be balanced. So there. So I'm going to maybe put, like, do mud shots so you can see, but here it is how it looks. Yay! So good, right? So now you'd be able to carry this like on a daily basis. Like, you could put your laptop, you could put the entire, you know, other bags that you have. So it would actually practically carry all your daily essentials without any problem at all. So the next is, I would like to share some tips to you guys on how you could properly store your bags, because there is something bad that happened to our Gucci bag. Normally, with the past vlogs that I've been sharing to you guys, I would say when you have this bag, keep it inside the dust bag and keep it inside their boxes. That's how I normally would keep things, because currently I don't have good walk-in closet with good air circulation. Normally there would be lots of dust. So I would like to secure them. Unfortunately for this one, I think I was a little bit careless in keeping this bag. So what I did is I didn't use this storage box that it came with. I've used this storage box for other stuff that I have here at home. So this is just this bag, a bag, and then I've used the dust bag. And after sealing it, inside the dust bag, I've used a large plastic bag, and the handle was just lying like this way when we kept them. So of course, naturally, with the things, with everything going on, I never reached for this bag for like a huge while, maybe for about a year or so. And then currently I'm just, you know, decluttering my cabinet, and then look what we found out, guys. So now, as you can see, can you see on this part, there is a dent. So can you see, guys? Is it showing? Hopefully it's showing, guys. So you could see the dented part, and that was caused by the leather handle. So that is the front part, and here is the back part, guys. With the back part, actually, it's a little bit, you know, there you could see there's also a dent, and there is like a birth marking, and we are not sure what happened. Maybe it's the heat. So maybe that was the heat that came from sealing this bag inside a plastic bag. So that would be one no-no. Don't seal your luxury bags inside plastic bags, because definitely it would ruin the material of your bag there. I'm not really sure if this damage is still reversible, but you could notice this one, right? That's a little bit sad. That's what happened, guys. honestly looking at it, there's really a dent. So right now, what I'm doing, trying to save this one, is I removed the plastic bag. I would never ever use plastic bag on my packaging. And what we're going to do now is, I bought something here, so it's like a stuffing. We bought this one at our local shop, online shopping site, Shopee. So I believe you could get this one in Amazon or eBay or whatever. So it's like clouds there. So I believe you could also like buy, you know, pillow or stuffers from any Instagram resellers, but we are going to use this one, and we place it in something, you know, a casing like this. So we would have an option like how much stuffing we could put inside the bag. So there, so stuff it in. So it's nice that you have, like, for example, if you don't have any bag organizer, so you could use the stuffing that I've just showed you. So put it inside the bag, so you know it would be able to maintain the shape of your bag. Then of course, use your trusty dust bag, guys. If you have dust bag, please use them. Not unless you have a very secured walk-in closet that I've been seeing with other vloggers. But for someone like me who have just regular cabinets, so you could kindly use your dust bag. And actually, I forgot to mention, before I put the pillow stuffing here, I put several silica gels inside. So again, to absorb the moisture that the bag, or you know, the inside of the bag would have. So at least the good thing about this, even though we put it inside a plastic bag, I didn't see any molding, so that's a good sign. So I'm sure that the silica gel really helped. So after that, there you'll be able to keep your bags properly and hopefully be able to maintain the shape and have your bags for a more longer period of time without any damages. Alright, so how did you like our vlog episode today? Hopefully you enjoyed that, guys, and got a few tips on how you can store properly your luxury bags. Again, guys, please do careful in securing your luxury bag so it will not get damaged and the longevity would be for a very long time. Before we end this vlog video, let's do the comment of the day. So I would like to say thank you to Jenny King Style. So Jenny, super thank you for leaving this super wonderful comment. I really love watching your vlogs as well, and I'm happy to have found a new friend. Thank you so much. Alright, again, I'm inviting you guys to please join our growing family by subscribing to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and give me the thumbs up for more videos like this. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramiro5 to get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again, mga kabudgetarian, super thank you for staying with me in this vlog episode. Please stay safe and healthy at all times, and I will see you on our next vlog episode. Bye!